Welcome to this channel. My name is Austin Becker, and on this channel we'll be discussing everything for making money online, whether it be affiliate marketing, e-commerce, branding, you name it. We'll talk about it, financial stuff, Bitcoin. If you want to talk about it, we could talk about it. And I really just want to make this a very non-professional approach to the whole online business and entertainment space. I don't want this to be scripted. Nothing's going to be scripted on the channel. Nothing's going to be elaborate. I want all of the beginners to be able to resonate with this channel and be able to see that everybody can do this. Everybody can make money online, no matter what their circumstances are, whether they're in a one-bedroom apartment or a mansion. Because all the other YouTubers, they're professional YouTubers, and they're showing you that they create this persona. They make you feel as though you already have to be good at stuff. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to have expensive studio equipment. You don't have to be in a big publishing company. Literally, you can do it in your room with a white wall behind you. It doesn't matter. It can be recorded on your phone. Doesn't matter. It doesn't even have to be videos. You don't even have to create YouTube. If you just want to make money online, you don't have to be an influencer like everybody else kind of portrays. So I just wanted to break the ice with that and let you know this is going to be a very beginner-friendly channel. And I'm looking forward to helping you on your journey to making money online so that we can leave your 9 to 5. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Comment on this video or any videos of what kind of content you would like to see. What do you need help with? Do you need help with building websites? Do you need help with funnels? Do you need help with affiliate marketing? Whatever you may need help with, e-commerce, branding, it doesn't matter. Let me know so I can create content for you every single week showing you how to succeed online. So I look forward to this journey with you. Go ahead, like I said, subscribe, and we'll see you on the inside.